When there is an opportunity, get together with old classmates, old colleagues, and old friends. The gathering is not just about eating. It's just that there's not much time left. Money kept in the banks may not be really yours. When it's time to spend, just spend. Treat yourself well as you're getting old. Whatever you feel like eating, just eat. It's most important to be happy. Foods which are good for health, eat often and more. But that's not everything. Things which are not good for health, eat less once in a while, but do not abstain from them totally. Treat sickness with optimism, whether you are poor or rich. Everyone has to go through birth, aging, sickness, and death. There is no exception. That's life. Do not be afraid or worried when you are sick. Settle all the outstanding issues beforehand, and you will be able to leave without regret. Let the doctors handle your body. Let God and nature handle your life. But be in charge of your own moods. If worries can cure your sickness, then go ahead and worry. If worries can prolong your life, then go ahead and worry. If worries can exchange for happiness, then go ahead and worry. Our kids will make their own fortune. Look after 4 old treasures. Your old body. Pay more attention to health. You can only rely on yourself in this. Retirement funds, money that you have earned. It's best to keep them yourself. Your old companion. Treasure every moment with your other half. One of you will leave first. Your old friends. Seize every opportunity to meet up with your friends. Such opportunities will become rare as time goes by. Things you must do every day. Smile and laugh. Running water does not flow back, and so it is with life. Make it happy.